Every few months, we get an AI update that feels like a small step forward. But once in a while, something drops that feels like a leap, a real shift in how we create content. And that's exactly what happened this week. If you've been following AI video generation even casually, you know one thing. The visuals are getting insanely good, but the moment the clip plays, there's this awkward silence. No voice, no ambience, no environment. And suddenly the whole feels incomplete. And today the problem has gone away. Because Higgsfield just released Kling 2.6 audio, and this update doesn't just add sound, it completely redefines what an AI video model can do. Kling 2.6 audio can generate video, expressive voice, and ambient sound all together in a single pass. Let that sink in for a second. We're talking about a character talking with a natural emotional tone. Footsteps sync to the motion, background ambience that fits the scene, and audio timing that actually matches the camera movement. All automatically. No editing, no extra software, no timeline mess. This is the first time I've seen an AI model produce a complete scene, from visuals to voice performance, without needing any additional tools. And if you're a creator, filmmaker, advertiser, or even someone experimenting with storytelling, this changes the workflow entirely. But here's what makes it even crazier. Higgsfield is currently offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generations for anyone who upgrades to the Ultimate Plus plan before December 12th. That's basically unlimited full scene generations at one of the lowest prices in the market right now. So, in this video today, I'm going to walk you through the new Kling 2.6 audio features, show you a full on-screen workflow, generate scenes live and react to the outputs, test how well the audio and visual syncs, and compare the results with silent generations so you can really feel the difference. And this is a pretty huge step for AI videos. Before we dive into the hands-on demo, let's talk about what makes this update so exciting, both for creators like us and for the future of AI video. So Higgsfield AI has been building tools that let you generate videos from text and prompts. But the biggest leap with Kling 2.6 is something many of us have been waiting for. That is native audio generation built directly into the video output. That means instead of generating silent clips and adding sounds later in another app, Kling 2.6 produces synchronized sound right alongside the visuals all in one shot. So, what does that actually do? We'll try to break this down here. So unlike all older models that only generated visuals, Kling 2.6 creates audio and video at the same time. That includes spoken dialogue with natural link sync, ambient soundscapes like wind, footsteps, or environment audio, sound effects that match what's happening on screen, and even music or tonal elements in some scenes. And all of this comes out synchronized with the action, so your video doesn't feel just like visuals with a slapped on audio track. It's one cohesive piece of content generated together. And Kling 2.6 doesn't just generate audio, it interprets emotion, speech pacing, and lip movements so characters actually look like they're talking. The lip sync is tight, natural, and matches voice tone to movement. You can even ask for conversations, narration, performances straight from your prompt. So this model also builds sound environments automatically. That means things like footsteps that match motion, background ambience like nature, city sounds, or indoor atmospheres, or layered audio that strengthens immersion. So this isn't just added noise; it's context-aware sound that enhances storytelling. The workflow is really simple. You actually mention what you want, including both visuals and the sounds, and the Kling 2.6 generates both together. There's no need for extra software, no exporting silent clips and syncing sound separately. It's all done in one generation step. And the audio quality itself is very crisp and layered with cleaner sound than typical most typical post generation editing might achieve. So the model understands tone, semantics, context, and pacing. So your output feels more like a real multimedia production than a generated clip. So Kling 2.6 is also capable of handling more complex audio scenarios like conversation between characters, unique voices with natural pacing, bilingual generation, multi-speaker scenes with emotional nuance, and this opens up storytelling possibilities that were previously impossible without voice recordings or separate actors. So creators are using Kling 2.6 for all sorts of format, like for generating cinematic short films, uh, product explainers with built-in narration, marketing videos with impactful voiceovers, social media content with natural sound, musical or rhythm-based scenes, and all of this without needing third-party editing tools. It's all done inside this particular Higgsfield interface here. So Kling 2.6 turns what used to be a fragmented multi-tool video workflow into one-click creative experience, generating visuals, synced audio, ambience, and effects all together. So that's what we're going to put to the test next year. So to use this model, we can go to Higgsfield.ai Kling 2.6 audio model page and then try the native audio now. So here you can provide your prompt here. So I've already done some experiments. Let me provide a prompt first. So my prompt is something like this: a continuous cinematic shot of a massive volcanic eruption engulfing a coastal city. The prompt is quite detailed that I have generated from some other large language model. I've turned on the audio and then use the Kling 2.6 model here. The duration for my video is going to be 10 seconds. Let me keep it for 10 seconds. And then the aspect ratio is going to be 16 to 9. And then let me hit on generate. And then meanwhile, while this is in queue, I would like to show you some video that I've already generated. So this is for a continuous cinematic shot of a Nepalese city in the Himalayas being swallowed by a colossal wall of snow, and the details about that, and then we'll see the video. You can see that the video is quite good and the audio is quite immersive in this particular case. I have done a few other experiments with this model. So here the prompt is an astronaut performing a spacewalk in the orbit of Jupiter, and then talking about the scene back to the mission control. So let's see the video.
Mission Control, you won't believe the sight out here. A massive gas cloud is twisting over Jupiter's surface, glowing with vibrant colors like a living storm, immense and beautiful. Mission Control, you won't
Okay,
believe the
since
sight out
the
here.
video is only about 5 seconds long, so you see that it is quite short, but the quality of the video is quite good. And then I have another one of Albert Einstein explaining the formula E equal to mc squared in his natural voice here.
This formula shows that energy and mass are interchangeable. It means a small amount of mass can be converted into a tremendous amount of energy. This formula shows that energy and mass are
So the audio is quite precise, and then particularly follows the environment that is present inside a classroom or inside a lecture hall here. So this video is in progress. Once it is created, I'll show you this video. So the video is created. We'll first see the video and then react to this video or talk about it.
The earth trembles beneath the fury unleashed.
Feel the heat, the ash choking the sky.
The earth.
So there it is. You can feel the intensity in the video, the sound that is surrounded around this particular scene here, as well as the intensity in the narration or the emotion in the narration that is included here. All of this is possible by this Kling 2.6 audio generation model. So as you can see, the model is quite good, and then it is exactly what modern day creators are actually looking for in terms of video automation. So for the first time, we have a model that can generate high quality visuals, expressive dialogue, ambient sound, and motion all together in one single pass. No exporting, no audio syncing, no patchwork workflows, just one prompt and then you get a complete scene. So whether you're a content creator, a filmmaker, an educator, or someone who just loves experimenting with AI tools, this update opens up so many new possibilities. You can create story driven content so much faster. You can prototype scenes instantly, and you can bring ideas to life without needing a full editing setup. And if you want to try it out yourself, it's really simple. Just use the registration link in the description below. It'll take you straight to the Higgsfield website where you can create your account and start generating your own audio visual scenes with Kling 2.6 audio. And remember, Higgsfield is offering this unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generations for anyone who upgrades to the Ultimate Plus plan before December 12th. So if you plan on creating a lot of videos or experimenting with different concepts, now is the best time to jump in. So I've added all the important links down below, including the official Kling 2.6 audio page, the prompt examples, and the registration link. So feel free to check them out and start creating amazing content. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more AI powered content like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want me to test next. So I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy creating and happy coding.